I know a little.
I know a little about it.
I know a little bit about love.
Baby, I can guess the rest. Greetings. On this episode of I Know a Little, we're going to be changing out a pane of glass in my front door. This door is very old, and so I'm really hoping that I can change this out. I've been wanting to do it for a long time. You can see where it's broken there. There's still glass that I need to take out, so I put a little bit of blue tape there, and now I'm going to smack it with a hammer. So we're working on the front side of the door. I did get all the glass out. Something to mention is do wear some type of gloves to protect your hands when you're working with glass. I'm just running my hand across to make sure I got all of that, and some eye protection. I put the blue tape on it on the other side, so like when I was busting it out, it would catch that glass, but I will tell you that I could feel pieces hitting me in the face. So you want to have some eye protection when you're knocking that glass out. So now I'm going to work on getting these little pieces of molding that was holding the glass in. I'm going to try and work on getting those out. As you can see, there's a lot of gunk here, so I'm just taking a box cutter knife to, as you can see, always use a sharp knife, but you want to, I'm just trying to get it to where it's going to break it loose. So we'll do that all the way around, and then we'll come back and see if we can pry it. Alright, so I went all the way around with the knife just to kind of break all that old paint loose. And now I'm going to use this, I guess it's a sheetrock tool. I don't know. I couldn't find my putty knife, but this will work. Because you're just going to go in here and start prying. And you can see it's coming loose. You want to be gentle. Some of this stuff might have like a little tack in it, so just be careful because you don't want to break it if you can help it. Alright, so I got all these pieces out, and then I'll just kind of sweep. Like I said, this is years of crud, and I don't think this glass has ever had to be changed. It was pretty thick. Just a quick note, this is one of the shorter pieces, like at the top and the bottom, and as you can see, there's like these little nails. We'll either do some small nails or some brads to hold it in. I'm not real sure. Not sure if I'm gonna sand that either. We'll see. So I got my piece of glass cut. I went ahead and stuck it in, and I put this little, when I'm going to use the same molding, and I'm going to use the little nails that were in it. This door's over 100 years old, and so that's why we're trying to be delicate with it. You have to be real easy taking these pieces off or they'll break. So I'm just going to kind of give it a tap where the nails are, and that'll help hold it in till I put the other pieces of molding in. So I'll go ahead and do that, and then we'll come back and I'll show you how it looks. Alright, so I use the same molding and the same nails and just kind of tap them in, and there it is. It's all done. The door has been repaired. Alright, so join us next time as we do the trials and tribulations of working on this 120-year-old house. It's special to us. Please like, share, and subscribe, and put in the comments if there's something you'd like to see us do. Have a blessed day.